What's up, boys? We're live. Let's get it. Welcome, 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 welcome. Hope you guys can hear me clearly. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get us back on board. Alright, let's put up the stream real quick. Okay, bet. Hold on, guys. Have some technical. Right. Perfect. 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 Yeah. Let's get it. So yeah, we're gonna get started now. So yeah, we're gonna start from where we left it up off last week. It was pretty straightforward. I was trying to get the business model in check, what we're gonna build on, and I've just been doing some research about the kind of app I wanna work on, how it's gonna be similar to Shopify, and how we're gonna make it easy for people to reach out and get the help they need. when they create their account, how is the user flow going to look like? And the progress we've made is that we understand what we want to implement. I'm gonna pull it up now with ChatGPT. So it was pretty helpful for planning initially. So now we know what we want to do. The issue we faced was when the client creates an account and creates a store. How do we link that store instance to the back end of Medusa? Do we give them like do we create a separate instance or do we create a whole new Next.js application per front end that's created? So what I understood is that the way Shopify does it is they have assets and elements or JSON file objects that is already pre-configured, and that's what makes it easy for them to be able to drag and drop and edit stuff in their stores. So today I'm going to attempt building out the front end infrastructure where there's different things, different elements, different objects and assets that we can use to create the front end of the store. And it's going to be a pre-config, and then how we can create different instances of Medusa will come a bit later. But today is just creating the front end stuffs. All right. And yeah, I think I'm going to start with that now. But without further ado, it's still showing here. That's interesting. Mhm. This woman. All right. I'm ready to dive right in, boys. Let's get it. So this is where we are. This is what we're trying to do, and I'm gonna pull up the plan for today. So one Next.js front end serving multiple stores, of course. Next themed config. Um, all right, perfect. Have I started this? This is where we are right now. This is the actual platform, which is the back end of this service on our main side, Nexus Biz. So this is the back end. It's where it's all gonna be. I need to fix that authentication flow. I think it's a bit mumbled, jumbled up. So manage store, go to store management. I need to change that page entirely. Let me see what happens when I try to create a site. Um, here is we sell wigs for men and women. So currently we don't have this button working. We currently don't have this button working, so it's just a static page with an input. Okay. Huh. Interesting. So we have to fix this store management. I don't like the name self store management. So it's all in this manage store, then store ID, then page just TSX. This manage store directory is a bit crazy. Let's first understand what that directory does. Hmm. That's not what it's actually doing. Showing one active user, which is me, right? But total stores, no stores created yet. I have to specify that the stores are okay. First of all, I need to put a function. subgraph, base. User B static assets. Okay. And route resolver. Resolve store by domain, subdomain. Need to have load theme config. I like to use Grok for this. This is interesting. It's mixing it up. Anytime I decide to trust this Elon Musk's AI, it always just leaves me short-handed. Yeah, this is what we're using. Hmm. When the user visits the storefront, store example. I'm trying to create the statics right now. Oh gosh. Hmm. Right. I want to remove this. I want it to still be there, but when you come to it, right, it doesn't tell you go to store management. It gives you an option to create stores. So when it comes here, the page.tsx, admin dashboard, sidebar demo, admin dashboard. It takes me to the dashboard. I don't see all this. And there's a store ID. This for manage stores. Store not found. I can see that the issue, the image you're showing appears to be redirecting store management customer, which suggests there is a routing redirection issue happening. Alright. The issue is in the sidebar demo component. Let me check that component. Is this and passes actual server demo. it makes sense. Now we got an issue. See what it says. Okay, this is the manage page. I say go to dashboard. What does it do? Brings me to the admin dashboard. It's creating store. So I need components for creating stores. Store table metadata. We already have the metadata. We already have this. Store users table. Okay. Store theme template storage. JSON template based on themes can be in database or CMS. Asset storage. Backend API. assets root. Partially existing tenants. Existing tenants. Let's create these. User stores partially exist. Theme no template storage completely missing. Asset storage missing. Alright. Asset storage proper bucket. I don't want to do this here because this is a different thing entirely. Recommendations. Dedicated create dedicated store table enhancing or enhance existing tenants table. Alright. Add templates, storage, setup proper asset. Perform these tasks. Basics, branding, theme selection, payment setup, admin onboarding flow, initial admin user creation, passwords, sandbox storefront, preview sandbox, immediately preview of the storefront using default themes, theme editor, token editor, themes and rendering, themes JSON model. I think I'll create the themes, then I'll create what renders the themes. Understand that Medusa.js handles a lot of the back end, such as storage. The main concern is creating and setting up the theme JSON models. so it's easy for the stores to be created. Illustrated. JSON themes. Hmm. Let's going on first. Right, so I would navigate to really dependent, not redirected page. So it's now taking us to where we can create stores, which is what we wanted to see. But now this is already going off, and wow, I think it has finished creating what we needed to create. Alright, this is good. Um, so I think the next step for me is making sure that we have those themes created. So manage stores, API stores, deep links, as admin URL, routes. Interesting. somebody that was doing this thing differently, man. He had a different approach to this. Store preview. Yo, Chad, we're having such a hard time right now. I'm having such a hard time right now. So much, but I want it to be so simple. It shouldn't have all these extra headaches attached to it. Mm, no, it should not. A lot of instances, a lot happening all at once. Which is not what we want. Mm. I want to start over again. Like, I don't like where the app is. I don't like what's going on. I want to change it up. Even if it's just a little app, I need to change it up. What am I trying to change up? I don't like the manage. I don't like the API that have been implemented. It should be simple, right? App auth database. What does a database do? I was reading about database sharding, right? But for now, I just want a simple out layout, a simple layout with. Let's see if I can do it. Hmm. Hmm. I'm not fucking with this at all. I wish this shit could read it out to me, man. What have we implemented in our database? In the Superbase modular platform shit fucked me the fuck up, man. It just set me back. I need Grok to explain this thing to me, man. Hey Grok, explain this to me. Come on, Grok, you got this. Hey Grok, can you explain that to me? Hey Grok, can you explain that to me? I just pasted a message above. Strong, I can't connect it. Hey Grok, I've been. Store creation process. Hmm. Yo, this shit is more tougher than I thought, man. I'm gonna have to clear out this entire code base chat. I'm gonna have to clear it out and start it over again. Cause I don't like this type of shit, bro. I feel like I made a wrong turn. Cause I kind of like made it. Oh shit, man. hell? What the hell? I thought it has sharding automatically. It has vector search, data visualization. Ah, shit. Hey, Grok, are you there? I can't hear you. No, I can't. Can you like restart the chat? Maybe that'll be better. Hey, Grok. Hey, Grok. Hey, Grok.
Hey,
Perfect.
glad to hear it.
All right. So I'm gonna paste something right now in the chat, and I wanted you to go over it and explain it to me, if that's okay.
Go ahead and paste it when you're ready.
Did you get it? Did you get it? Hey, Grok, I pasted it. Did you get what I pasted? You've just gone quiet. I don't think Grok is built for that. Hey, Grok, are you there? Hey, hey. Hey, Grok, so I'm building a multi-tenant application like Shopify, and I'm having some issues with creating the storefront and linking it to the Medusa instance. You got any tips for me? Oh gosh. Let me see if I can connect her on my phone. I think I have Grok, yeah, downloaded here. Let's use it on my phone instead. And just go back. Try to talk through it. I don't like where I'm at. I might have to delete it, man. Chad, I might delete this stuff before tomorrow morning. Real talk. I really might delete it, man. Or I can just pull the one from, because it is already hosted, right, on my GitHub. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just pull the GitHub version and just host it, right? I'm gonna pull this one. Right, this is very straightforward. Align this code base with the GitHub version. Oh my god, man. Problem is that I've added Medusa to this one. I've set up Medusa here as well. Ah, fuck, man. This is gonna take me back. Chad, I have so much work to do, man. Alright, Chad, I'm gonna see if I can do it tonight, but I don't think the stream is gonna survive long enough for me to do that. So with that being said, oh, this is annoying. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna find out where the problem is. Thing is that I changed it to platforms. I added this platform layer, which is what really just complicated a lot of things. One user, so three tables, database. I'm trying to get a good understanding of the application so I can know how to move. I need an in-depth understanding of what and everything in the application currently. Code base. Because if I can explain what's going on there, I can know how to fix it. It's just that it's a bit mixed up right now. to know the full fucking architecture, man. I'm just so sad that I did not, because I don't want to lose the progress I've made on Medusa too. Because Medusa is set up, Medusa is already good. All I need to do is copy the Medusa, what they call this key, and then use it to create instances for the web stores. I want to create the front end now. What guy? And to know where I'm at and where I'm going. Chad, I've been messing around with a lot of um, AI editors recently, creating apps and sorry, creating videos, UGC videos. I think I made one today. Let's see if I can play for you guys. So I made a couple things with AI recently. This is one of them.
You have two gas cylinders and they are both empty. That is a risk control failure, a hazard, in my opinion. You have two gas cylinders and they are both empty. That is a risk control failure, a hazard, in my opinion.
Oh my god, I made this earlier today. You guys should like literally lock in on this. This was VO3. Pretty cartoonish, but I didn't get the emblem correctly because it's like circular, right? And this is kind of like
You have
Superman.
two gas cylinders and they are both empty.
So
That is a risk control failure.
but literally look at this one. This is the face, right? And this is the result. Bro, it was just some fun stuff, man, to do with ChatGPT. Alright, we have our comprehensive breakdown. Okay. Cookie management. GUI system. This is the business logic area that it's a bit mumbo jumbled. Theme and template configuration system. So I've realized that the problem I have is the planning. So I have to go and do like proper planning of this entire system with the information I have, and then see if I can replicate it again or more quickly. Oh my god. I have so much jobs and works ahead of me tomorrow morning. So tomorrow's stream we're gonna see how it's gonna be. Uh, Simply put, I'm gonna wait for this to finish loading up, and then from there, I'll see how. But to be honest, Chad, I really don't know if this code base is gonna look the same in our next stream. I might have to remove a lot of things and simplify it to the bare bones. With that, I bid you